Are you holding on to something too tightly? A thought, a belief, a situation? Well, what's actually happening is there's a fear of letting go. And the card that I'm going to share with you is one to explore this. It is the Rest and Release card from the Oracle of the Lake deck. This card shows up when there's a fear of letting go, when you're really like holding on for dear life because if gosh forbid you stop, something's going to fall out of place. It's a time, this card shows that it's a time for you to get grounded and centered so that you can release what's no longer serving you, find the strength within, and step forward with greater courage. You might be saying, rest? Who has the time for that? But this card reveals that when you rest, you grow and you have more. When you release, you now have space and energy to realign, to make things happen in your life, to create greater movement. This is an earth card, and it asks you to connect to your body and become more centered and strengthen your renewal to stand a little taller and a lot stronger. It actually doesn't take a lot of work to slow down. It takes intention and alignment. So rest right now by slowing down and reading the description about this card and the rest of the Oracle of the Lake deck. Hit the link there for more insights and information about how to rest and release and become your better, best self using the deck. And I'll see you in the next card.